Hey everyone, it's Scott with Piedmont Dent Repair. Today we're going to work on a 2017 Cadillac XT5 2017 model. Severe damage in the hood. The customer wants to keep the factory paint finish. I've assured them that the repair will turn out super good. Pan around and let you take a look at it. Hey everyone, Scott, Piedmont Dent Repair. Checking back with you, halfway finished on this 2016 Cadillac. Let you take a look and see where we are. A little rough around the edges, but it's getting it as part of the process in panel stem removal. Hey everyone, Scott, Piedmont Dent Repair, finishing up this Cadillac XT5, severe hood damage. Got it buffed out, finished up. Thanks for watching.